Welcome back, my dear students. Welcome back. So now we are in final session for mechanical operation. Everyone, beta, you are all welcome. Please confirm me. Audio and video is crystal clear to all of you, beta. Everyone able to hear me, see me. You can send your messages on Telegram, WhatsApp, as well as on app section. Very happy good evening, beta, maina. Everyone welcome, beta. Everyone welcome. Please confirm me, beta. Audio and video is crystal clear to all of you, beta. Please confirm me. Everyone crystal clear, sir. Okay. So, my dear students, I received these number of doubts from your side. Many doubts same asked by many students. So, after accumulating all, I got these 15 questions, and you can also check on Telegram. Okay, these are questions. If any question missed by me, you can inform me. Okay, so once again, my dear students, you're all welcome. Now we're in lecture number 23. That should be final lecture for this mechanical operation. But still, for those students who are going to see this lecture after some time, no need to worry. You all can ask me doubts for MO again in my next subject live doubt clearing session. Or also, first you can ask me in Telegram if you are not able to understand my handwriting solution, my handwritten solution, then you can ask me again in live doubt clearing session for mechanical operation in my next subject. Okay. So as you all know, this side Gaurav Srivastava sir from Engineers Institute of India, India's best institute for gate chemical engineering 2026. I have 14 plus years of teaching experience as chemical engineering author, educator, multiple gate top ranks, super rank 25, 24, 23, 22 every year, and this year my dear students rank 43. Okay, so these are the questions. When will next subject start, sir? Shyan Mukherjee. Beta, I will tell you after talking with Rajesh sir. Okay, then I will inform you which subject and when. It will, I think it will be soon, within a week. Within a week, latest within a week. Okay, because already heat transfer operation is going on. So beta, see everyone, problem number 100. The near size particles are those with sizes. Okay, so beta, this problem is very easy. I don't know why you asked. See beta, option number 1, dp is less than 0.5 ds. What does it mean? That means die of particle is much smaller, so that 0.5% of diameter, if you're taking 0.5 of a screen, is still a screen is larger one. So the A option represents fine particles and much smaller than the sieve size, and definitely, my dear student, these can pass through easily. So that means near size particles, if you are telling here, then A is not correct. Okay, now see option number C here. In option number C, clearly mentioned dp is greater than 1.5 ds. That means if you are writing a screen size, suppose 10 mm, just a typical example, and even if you are multiplying with 1.5, that means 15 mm, still your particle is much larger. That means these are oversized particle and easily retained on the sieve, and definitely these are not considered near size. And the last one, that is option B, dp is equal to ds. That means simple specific case, same to same, dp ds, these are not near size. Okay, because these are exact size particles. But if you're seeing better option B, that is 0.5 ds dp ds, that means dp is greater than equal to 0.5 ds but less than equal to less than equal to ds. So these rays includes particles close to the sieve size, clearly you can see, which are definitely problematic for screening efficiency, and definitely you can define these as near size particles. So definitely beta, B is the right answer. These will create problems. Okay, या बड़ा नियर साइज का मतलब होता है इन हिंदी, इफ यू वांट टू फील, कि जो स्क्रीन का साइज है, इसके आसपास के साइज वाले पार्टिकल्स कौन सी कैटेगरी में आएंगे, एबीसीडी. सो प्रॉब्लम इज वेरी इजी. दीज आर नियर साइज पार्टिकल. नियर साइज मींस हुज साइज. नियर साइज मींस हुज साइज, हुज साइज are are closer to screen size. Screen size. Okay, everyone crystal clear? Very good, fantastic. Now, next one is air flows through a packed bed of a powdery material in from 1995 to my question you asked. Lots of students asked. So here clearly mentioned packed bed, powdery material, 1 centimeter depth. Okay, so beta here depth that means here is 1 centimeter. Superficial gas velocity, that means V naught bar, is given as 1 centimeter per second. A manometer is connected to the unit registers a pressure drop of 1 centimeter of water. Whenever these type of sentences are there, so that means these pressure drops given as hydrostatic head. So here our delta P is what? 1 centimeter of water. Now just recall when you had seen 10.33 meter of water is equals to 1 atm pressure. In process calculation also you had seen. If not seen, don't worry. So just you have to convert this H rho Z. So what is H? H is 1 centimeter, that is 0.01 meter. The density of water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. The value of G is 9.81 meter per second square. If you are taking all things on SI unit, then definitely here you will get Newton per meter square, that is Pascal. This is in Pascal. Okay, this is in Pascal. Now, if you want to write in kilopascal, then you can write 1000 P, but no need to do these things because you won't answer in SI unit. So wait, let me calculate. 0.01 into 1000 into 9.81. Okay, so it's 98.1. It's 98.1 Pascal. So this is what beta, this is your delta P. I think you were feeling difficulty only in this part, but no need to worry, I am solving complete. The bed has a porosity. Porosity is also given, my dear students, 0.4. 0.4. Assuming that cosmic carbon equation, what was cosmic carbon equation? Very easy. Delta P by L is dB rho V naught varga square epsilon cube upon 1 minus epsilon is equals to 150 1 minus epsilon is d rho by mu. This is cosmic carbon equation. So you must remember equation like this. So delta P by L phi s dp upon rho v naught bar is square epsilon cube upon 1 minus epsilon is equals to 150 1 minus epsilon and whole divided with phi s d v naught bar rho by mu. Now see, my dear students, here asked about estimate the particle size. Particle size means diameter of particle asked here. Diameter of particle asked here. Now see here. This is your diameter. This is your diameter. Now, powdery material, nothing written about sphericity, so you can take sphericity as 1. Okay. dP is here. Delta P calculated. L 1 centimeter given, that means 0.01 meter. Density is also given. Density of air is given. Superficial velocity is given. Epsilon is given. Okay. And epsilon is given. Phi s take 1. V naught bar given. Mu is given. Rho is given. One equation beta, one unknown, just you have to put here. After solving you will get 1.22 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Okay beta, please tell me everyone, is it crystal clear to all of you? Everyone crystal clear? So हो जाएगा बेटा, you can do calculation. Can we proceed? Just write crystal clear in comment section बेटा. Everyone please write बेटा. अगर ये लगा लोगे आगे कर लेना आराम से, or if you want to do calculation right now then please inform me. चलो वेरी गुड, हो जाएगा, वेरी गुड, फैंटास्टिक. Okay, so this is 1.22 into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter. This is your final answer. Fantastic. I think I received message from your side that sir we feel doubt in this part. No problem. Crystal clear then? Great. सब्स्टिट्यूशन तो नहीं करना होगा ना इंसिपिएंट? नहीं बेटा सियान मुखर्जी, यहाँ कहाँ लिखा है इंसिपिएंट फ्लूइडाइजेशन? यार कहीं लिखा हुआ है ये बताओ. If it is not given that incipient fluorescence, then how you can use the equation for incipient fluorescence? Anywhere it is mentioned that incipient or minimum fluorescence is there. Okay, so you can't use that expression, because that expression is valid only and only when incipient fluorescence happens. Okay, now problem number this 163, 64, 65, 66, 67. Out of these all, you asked only 167th part, that is cake is compressible or not. See, you asked only 167. So this okay, this okay. Now see this 167 number. I solved complete question for you, beta. Given solution here in my handwritten solution you can see here. So in a filtration process, V is the volume, filtrate collected. So definitely these parts easily you can calculate. So ऐसे आपने calculate किया होगा, you had calculated like this, you had putting, and this was given, slope is this, intercept is this, and now slope intercept, slope was given in your question. Slope was given in your question. So just after solving you will get alpha 1 rm1. Similarly you can calculate alpha 2 rm2. Now the question is the cake is compressible or not. Only doubt come from your side is this one. So you know bit of compressibility, you can check with the help of this equation, that is alpha is equal to alpha naught delta p raised to power s. So alpha 2 was at this pressure, alpha 1 was at this pressure. So clearly you can see after solving the yes is not equal to 0. Yes is not equal to 0. Are you getting my words beta? Because clearly you can see here yes is not equal to 0 and yes is not equal to 0, that means cake is a compressible one. Okay beta, is it crystal clear? Can we proceed? Everyone please write beta, everyone please write. और जिन्होंने solve नहीं किया है दो, see this solution. If further any doubt you can ask me again and again. Okay, this part is crystal clear beta. Can we proceed? Can we proceed my dear students? Please write everyone beta, please tell me. Can we proceed? No need to write beta. Just try again after seeing solution from my side. Just try again these questions that you asked as your doubts. Okay, so after seeing my solution, please solve it again. Okay, don't try to write solution. Just see it, and still if you are forgetting something, then again see that lecture. Okay. Okay, beta. Can we proceed? Everyone is comfortable. Okay. Mena, you want to ask something? You are writing sir. Any doubt, beta? Still waiting? Problem is very easy. You know this expression. Just slope intercept expression was there. Case 1 was given. Slope expression written here. With the help of that expression, just solve and you will get the value of alpha 1. With the help of intercept was also given in your numerical. So just solve this. One equation, one unknown, rm1 will be there. Similarly for second case, you will get alpha 2 and rm2. Okay, done beta. Can we proceed? बफरिंग वफरिंग तो नहीं हो रही है ना भाई? नहीं हो रही है, ठीक है, सही है. Okay, fantastic, mind blowing, super. Now see next one. This doubt you asked, this problem is very good, super, very good question, conceptual question. So but it's still very easy because I told everything. Man, sir, cake is compressible but not completely right, sir. But it is totally compressible or not compressible, it is not us, but only at its compressibility. It is compressible or not compressible. So cake is compressible. Nothing is available like completely compressible thing. But here you can see only these type of cases based upon the value of yes, as I told you in my classes. So here just ask about compressibility, then you have to write cake is compressible. That's answer is completed. Okay. यस सर ओके. सो देखो बेटा ये क्वेश्चन जो है, दिस क्वेश्चन सी माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स वेरी इजी बट लिटिल बिट लेंथियर ones. So I think that's why you asked me this doubt. Okay, so I'm again solving this question. Speed is will be little bit on higher side because you are asking doubts, so you must be able to understand things in a faster way. But still, if anything you missed, you can ask me again, again, and again and again. Better, no need to worry. No need to worry. Okay, just I am telling everything in little bit faster way so that you will be able to read how to concentrate. Okay, how to concentrate. You can feel, your mind will feel some pressure, and after sometime automatically your speed will be increases. But still, if unable to understand anything, just write in comment section, sir, please repeat it, sir, repeat it. Okay, so a filtration is carried out for 10 minutes. Okay, I'm a little bit slow for this question because very good question, very good question, conceptual, complete conceptual question, because constant rate is there. In constant rate, many students feels lots of doubts. So it is carried out for 10 minutes at constant rate. Okay, no problem. In leaf filter. Okay, fantastic. In leaf filter. And thereafter it is continued at constant pressure, which is attained at the end of the constant rate period. Okay, that means you are starting some filtration. You are starting some filtration operation. See, you are starting some filtration operation, and for starting 10 minute, for starting 10 minute, the filtration is at constant rate filtration. That means dv by dt is constant one during this period. So this is constant one. Okay, now after 10 minute, a different type of filtration operation is started, and here delta p is constant now. Delta p is constant now, but for how much minute we don't know. We don't know till now. Okay, now please read. If 1/4 of the total value of the filtrate is collected during the constant rate period. Okay, okay. So, my dear students, if the total amount you are going to write here as a VT that is collected after these two types of filtration. So written quarter means 1 by 4, that means 0.25 of this VT is collected here, then definitely a remaining is collected here when constant pressure filtration is there. Okay, what is the total filtration time? Oh, that means just we need to calculate this, and at the end of your answer don't forget to add this 10 minute there, because here not asked only the time for constant pressure, here asked total filtration time, my dear students. So total filtration time means constant rate plus constant pressure, so both you have to take, don't forget. Okay, okay sir, okay beta. So what is the total filtration time? Assume the cake is incompressible. Fantastic. Yeah. Cake is incompressible. Super. Ah, if that means alpha is constant, no need to worry about alpha is equal to alpha naught delta p raised to power yes. And that filter medium resistance is negligible. Oh my god. That means yes value is given as 0. And filter medium resistance is also given as 0. Wow. Fantastic. Mind blowing. Super. Now see how to solve this? Very easy. So first constant rate, second constant pressure. In constant pressure filtration, you need the value of delta P in order to solve this. So that delta P you will get at the end of that constant rate filtration. What is the pressure there? Then that will be maintained. Like suppose the initial pressure was 1 kilopascal, then 2 kilopascal, 5 kilopascal, 100 kilopascal. And at 100 kilopascal now constant rate is started. And the second type of filtration starts at constant pressure. That means now 100 kilopascal, 100 kilopascal, after again 5 minutes 100 kilopascal. Now because a second filtration that is started is constant pressure filtration. So we need the pressure at the end of constant rate. We need the value of pressure. We need the value of pressure at the end of constant rate filtration. And that pressure, that delta p will be the constant pressure filtration delta p during entire constant pressure filtration. Okay, rm0 cake resistance 0. Yeah beta, absolutely. No, अरे यार श्याम मुखर्जी, rm0 medium resistance 0 यार, cake resistance is not 0. क्या लिख रहे हो, what you are doing beta? Calculation is no beta, no श्याम मुखर्जी, cake resistance कैसे 0 कर दोगे? rm is filter medium resistance यार, that is medium resistance. Now Our basic equation, that was very easy. आपको याद है? Any one of you? Just tell me yes or no in comment section. Remembered or not? You remembered or not? याद है किसी को? Any one of you? Waiting for your comments, my dear students. टाइपिंग मिस्टेक हो गया सर, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं रे भाई. नाउ प्लीज टेल मी हियर बेटा, filtration equation you remembered? Give your reply in little bit faster way बेटा, little bit faster way, please everyone tell me. याद है आपको? Yes sir. So please everyone write on your notebook and then compare with my equation. Yeah, then compare with my equation. Please everyone write beta, please everyone write. After writing just write done in comment section. Okay, after writing just write done in comment section. Okay. dt by dv in the form of dt by dv, or you can also write dv by dt. Yeah, dt by dv was a little bit simpler one na? Alpha alpha delta p by l k p v क्या लिख रही हो यार? So dt, basic filtration equation was dt by dv, and that equals to alpha mu c v upon a square delta p plus mu r m upon a delta p. Just tell me, is it correct beta? This equation is correct? If correct, then this should be 0 because rm is 0. Because rm is 0, so this is 0. And here what should be value of this delta p at the end of you want to write? So write here delta p here, then this equation will become alpha mu c upon a square dt by dv. Here will be dv by dt and whole multiplied with v, and my dear student, dv by dt is constant for first 10 minutes. This is constant, so this is constant, and this is the rate of filtration. So what is the value of alpha? Oh, alpha is not given. Oh sir, mu is also not given. Sir, c is also not given. Sir, a square is also not given. Oh my god. Volume of filtrate collected is given. Yes, it's 0.25 t. It's 0.25 t. Okay. Okay. Vt. Vt. Now what is the value of dv by dt? dv by vt, constant rate filtration. Oh my dear students, if in 10 minutes 20 meter cube filtrate collected, and I am saying constant rate, that means every 1 minute 2 meter cube filtrate collected na, every minute 2 meter cube filtrate collected. अरे भाई ये कांस्टेंट रेट है ना यार, तो 10 मिनट में अगर 20 मीटर क्यूब कलेक्ट हुआ तो हर मिनट में 2 मीटर क्यूब कलेक्ट हो रहा है ना यार. सेम थिंग explained in Hindi English, so I hope understand. So here 0.25 VT collected in 10 minutes. So every minute how much collected here? If you want to write for every minute, so it should be 0.25 VT divided by 10. So 0.025 VT. But make sure here the unit that you are using is in minute. Okay, that means the time automatically that will come in our calculation will be in minute. Okay, so this is your expression, this is your expression for delta p. This is delta p, this is delta p, that is at t is equals to 10 minute. Okay, so now at this delta p a second type of filtration started, and you can write this on हो जाए भाई, यहाँ से on होगा. So 0.25 into 0.025, 0.00625, 0.00625. So further you can write delta p at the end of this constant rate filtration is 0.00625. Let me check. 0.0, yeah, 625, and alpha mu c vt square and whole upon a square. Okay, done. So this is delta p. Now second filtration is started here, and during this 70.75 vt collected. Okay, So 02 again, time when you are writing 02 you are going to start. So for case number 2, dt by dv when delta p is constant. Okay, so dt by dv is equals to alpha mu c v upon a square delta p. This is the equation, and this time you have to different integrate this equation. So after integration it will come t is equals to, it's dt, dv will be here, so it is v square by 2, so alpha mu c v square by 2, v square by 2 a square delta p, and limit was 0 to t, so 0 to 0.75 vt. You can write here limit when time is 0, nothing collected in that constant pressure filtration. When some time I think I'm writing like t or tc constant, or tp constant pressure filtration, the time for constant pressure filtration. So the volume total collected will be 0.75 vt. Okay, now just solve this. Alpha mu c in place of v, you can write 0.75 square into vt square. Lower limit will not exist, 0 will give you 0 both sided. Okay, and whole divided with 2a square delta p. What was delta p? You can write from here 0.00625, 0.00625, and alpha mu c vt square, alpha mu c vt square upon a square, yeah, upon a square. Now just check here, hope not we had not done any mistake during writing things. Alpha mu c, alpha mu c. So as I told you, we had taken in minutes, so automatically the answer should be, must be in minute. So 0.75 square divided by 2 into 0.00625. So let me check here. Multiplied with 2 reciprocal into 0.75 square. It's coming 45. You can order this calci if you have not calci in your mobile, and if you want this calci from our site as free gift, then you have to make any rank under 100. So it is coming 45, and this 45 is 45 minute. Okay, 45 minute, क्योंकि ये कैल्सी हम लोग जब गिफ्ट बच्चों को देते हैं, अच्छे अच्छे रैंक जिनके टॉप रैंक आते हैं, सो एवरी ईयर उनको ऑनर देने के लिए, कि प्रोग्रेस करने के लिए, या उनको मोटिवेट करने के लिए, सो उसमें लास्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने ये कैल्सी भी दिया था. ओके, सो इट्स 45 मिनट, सो टोटल टाइम 10 minute plus 45 minute, so it is coming 55 minute is the right answer. Everyone please tell me beta, is it crystal clear to all of you? Can we proceed? ये वाला क्वेश्चन थोड़ा टाइम ले लिया रे भाई. Please tell me beta, can we proceed? Everyone please tell me, please please please, everyone confirm me, can we proceed? No doubts. Can we proceed beta? Crystal clear sir. Okay, so let me check next doubt. Problem number 180. This problem is also very easy. I don't know why you're feeling little bit difficulty. I think because of frames and dimensions are given. Press is equipped with one button, three button plates, three plates for washing. This is not very difficult language, one plate, one frame, one plate. So this is just writing here that both side your washing is going on. If you are not seeing this line, no need to worry. Okay, so a filter press contains 20 frames. फटाफट देख लो यार, 20 frames, 20 frames, each. See how I'm extracting data beta. 0.6 meter into 0.6 meter inside dimension. The frames are 0.025 thick, 0.025 meter thick. Okay, that means this is your frame, this is your frame. So this is the thickness. This is the thickness, and this is your zero point 0.6 into zero point 0.6 meter. Okay, so total 20 frames are there. The volume of wash water to used to 10% of filtrate per cycle. Okay, so in every cycle, if you want to check, what you want to check, volume of wash water, volume of wash water. So 10% of filtrate, that means suppose if I'm writing filtrate as a total volume of filtrate that is collected as VT, so my dear students, here it is 10% of VT, so zero point 0.1 VT is the volume of wash water. Next, the time required for filtering at constant pressure is 2 hours. Okay, constant pressure time. So T, when delta P is constant, and it is written as 2 hours. Just I'm extracting data. By this time the frame are full. Oh, very very good. That means here only one type of filtration given, constant pressure filtration. So now my frame is full. Full means what? If it is written full, that means oh, cake everywhere. Complete cake is there. Washing is done at the same pressure as the filtering. Okay, and the velocity of wash water is nearly the same as the filtrate. Okay, so velocity of wash water, velocity of wash water is same as that of filtrate. Okay, so same filtrate velocity, filtrate velocity. Okay, there is 0.05 meter, 0.05 meter cube final cake per meter cube of filtrate. That means if 0.05 meter cube cake is present in your frame, then you are going to get from bottom 1 meter cube of filtrate. Neglect the very good. Neglect the filter medium resistance. So very easy question, my dear students. Again, you have to write the expression dt by dv, that equals to alpha mu c upon a square delta p into v plus mu rm upon a delta p. Whenever write better, write complete equation so that you will be able to learn. Okay, so this will be 0 as clearly mentioned in your question beta. Now here the problem is the volume of filtrate we don't know. Okay, we don't know the volume of filtrate. Everything is given like 2 hour, it takes 2 hour, it's take 2 hour. So here, what was the time for washing time asked. And you know beta, if you want to calculate washing time, then you want volume of wash water and wash water flow rate, and that wash water flow rate is same to same as final rate of filtration, as I already told you, and the clearly mentioned here velocity is same. Okay, so this line if even not given from your side, it's by default. So we need actually the value of dt by dv here. We need the value of dt by dv here. No need to integrate this one, but for that purpose, my dear students, you need the value of this v. This v is not given, and many more factors may be not given in your question. Okay, no, it is c is given, 0.05 meter cube of cake. C is given, mu is given here, mu is not given. Okay, let me check if it is required or not required after solving. So first beta, you have to write the total volume of filtrate collected. How you can write beta total volume of filtrate collected? It is very very easy beta. This is very very easy. You know, this is one frame. How much cake per frame? If I want to write beta cake per frame, see cake per frame, then how much cake was present in per frame here? Is it velocity or volume of wash water? Beta, it is volumetric flow rate. By velocity, you can write volumetric flow rate of wash water. Okay, beta Shan Mukherjee. So cake per frame. So it's 0.6 into this. This is volume na, zero point 0.6 into zero point 0.6. This is this area multiplied with this one. Okay, sir. Very good, beta. So 0.6, 0.6.025. 0.6 into 0.025, and this is in meter cube. So just solve this here. 0.6 square into 0.025. It is coming 0.009. 0.009 meter cube. This is per frame. So my dear students, total cake if you want to write beta, how much? There are 20 frames now. So in every frame this amount of cake is there. So just this value 0.009 multiplied with 20, it will give you 0.18 meter cube cake. And with every 0.05 meter cube cake, 1 meter cube filtrate you are obtaining. So for 1 meter cube cake it is 1 by 1.05 meter cube filtrate is obtained. So with 0.18 meter cube of filtrate, this amount of with 0.18 meter cube of cake, this amount of filtrate will be collected. So it's divided with 0.05. It is coming 3.6 meter cube. Okay, beta, is it crystal clear to all of you how I calculated this with the help of this data? Please everyone write crystal clear in comment section beta, so that we can move forward here. Come on everyone, tell me. सभी बच्चा लोग को clear है? Everyone able to understand? No doubts? Done? Okay. So now the next thing that we need here. The next thing that we need here. वॉल्यूम ऑफ फिल्टर्स का एक बार बेटा सभी लोग बता दो, सभी को क्लियर है? Okay, so now the next thing that we need here is the value of this whole part, and its value is not given, but some data is given. Yes sir, clear. Okay beta, some data is given that in 2 hour this amount of filtrate is collected in t is equals to 2 hour. It is given in our question. So if you are going to write this as just kp, just kp, so after integration you can write now t is equals to kp v square by 2 plus c. C will be 0 because t is equal to 0, v is 0, so that limit is not going to exist there. So 0 to vt, then this is total time of filtration. So in 2 hour, here 2 hour, this is 2 hours. That means now things that you are going to write in meter cube per hour. Okay, at time I'm taking in मीटर क्यूब. एट द एंड ऑफ क्लास प्रॉब्लम्स का पीडीएफ भेज देंगे सर एक बार. सर बेटा क्लास प्रॉब्लम्स का पीडीएफ हमने बनाया नहीं था. यू कैन जस्ट सी इन द क्लासेस. ओके, सो सी इफ इट इज पॉसिबल देन आई विल शेयर बेटा. ओके, जब बनाते हैं आपको शेयर कर देते हैं. ओके, because no need to see these solutions again beta. First solve by your own, then if you are again stucking beta, then you have to see solution beta. If you are seeing solution and solving, this will not help you. Okay, so 2, and here it is kp, the volume collected is 3.6 square by 2. So with the help of this equation kp, you can easily calculate kp2 into 2 divided by 3.6 square. Actually beta, class outside pdf is not allowed to me to share to you. Okay, इंस्टीट्यूट पॉलिसी के अकॉर्डिंग अंदर का कोई मटेरियल बाहर हम आपको अलग से शेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं बेटा. सो दैट्स द मेन रीज़न, बिकॉज इफ आई एम शेयरिंग then that can be shared in many places, that pdf. So maybe you are not going to share, but institute policy is there beta. Okay, so this is kp is equal to 0.30864. okay, done beta. I know beta, Shan Mukherjee. So this is the value of kp. Once you got the value of kp beta, now you are able to calculate dt by dv. So this is dt, this is dv. So dt by dv is kpv, but the volumetric flow rate is dv by dt. So it's 1 by kpv. 1 by kp is 0.30864, and total volume at V is equal to Vf, what is the value of dV by dt? So multiplied with Vt is 3.6. So just solve this here. Multiplied with 3.6 reciprocal, it's 0.9. It's 0.9, and the unit is beta meter cube per hour. Now everything is done beta, everything done. Okay. Okay beta, क्या दास, I will ask. Okay. हाँ, स्क्रीन शॉट भी अलाउड नहीं है बेटा ऐप पे, बिकॉज यू नो ना कि मेहनत लोग करते नहीं है और चुरा के इधर उधर इधर उधर इधर उधर फिर कहते हैं कि हमने किया, इसलिए मे बी बिकॉज आई एम जस्ट एजुकेटर बेटा, आई एम नॉट डायरेक्टर, but I know why these things happen. These things happen only for copyrighted content, so that आप तक ये रहें जो बच्चा यहाँ मेहनत करके आया है और जो यहाँ पढ़ाई कर रहा है. ओके इसके लिए ऐसा किया जाता है मैनेजमेंट के साइड से. ओके बट स्टिल इफ यू रिक्वायर्ड एनी क्वेश्चन नंबर और एनी आंसर फॉरगेट, यू कैन आस्क मी, आई विल टेल यू दैट आंसर. ओके या मेहनत करिए बट एवरीथिंग विल बी कम फ्रॉम माई लेक्चर्स, फ्रॉम आवर लेक्चर, डोंट नो नीड टू वरी. ओके चलो अभी यहाँ देखो. एंड नाउ ऑल्सो बेटा यू कैन कंपेयर फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया, एवरी इंस्टीट्यूट यू कैन कंपेयर मैकेनिकल ऑपरेशन. इफ एनी इंस्टीट्यूट, any material you are getting more better, much better than our ना, इंस्टीट्यूट की बात छोड़ दो, आई विल गिव यू कैशबैक यार. ओके दिस इज माई गारंटी. ओके सो इट्स 0.9 मीटर क्यूब पर आवर. एंड अभी बेटा आप जब ये पा गए हो, सो नथिंग स्पेशल यार. ओके क्लासेस ऑन करने में टाइम चला जाता है बेटा, क्लासेस तुरंत ही ऑन हो जाती हैं. अभी थोड़ा सा ऐप में प्रॉब्लम है, इसलिए क्लिक करने के बाद थोड़ा सा 20-30 सेकंड का डिले आ रहा होगा आप क्लास स्टार्ट होने में, बट 1-2 दिन में वो क्लियर हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी बेटा. ठीक है उसके लिए बिल्कुल भी मेहनत, बिल्कुल भी दिक्कत की बात नहीं, 1-2 दिन में सही हो जाएगा. ओके सो बेटा अभी इसके आगे हम लोग बढ़ सकते हैं कि ये सब बातें लास्ट में हम लोग करेंगे ना, आप फोन पे भी कर सकते हो ये सारी बातें हमसे. अभी ये बताओ, ये सारी बातें जो अभी यहाँ पढ़ रहे हो, द थिंग्स दैट यू आर सीइंग हियर, डिस्कस दैट थिंग फर्स्ट बेटा. सो प्लीज टेल मी एवरीवन, दिस टाइम नो डाउट टिल नाउ बेटा. And here you had done some mistake, because this is not the rate of washing. This is not the rate of washing. Why this is not the rate of washing? Because when you are going to write rate of washing, this is at V is equal to Vf. If I am writing this as a rate of washing, then here 1 by 4 will also na, because this is plate and frame filter press na yaar. This is plate and frame. This is plate and frame. So if plate and frame are there, that means again the whole thing are going to divided by 4. Now this is your rate of filtration. Okay. Okay, but I will see. First, see, sir, first focus on lecture, beta. First focus on lecture. Okay. Now, done. Okay, beta. So, if you know the rate of washing now, and you know how much wash water used, 0.9 by 4 will give you 0.225. Okay. Then the wash volume already mentioned 0.1, that is 10% of 3.6, that is 0.36 meter cube. So just if you want to write here time of washing, then it will be 0.36 by, this will come 0.225 meter cube per hour. And wash water, now here you can write as 0.1 into 3.6, that is 0.36 meter cube. So how much time, if you want to calculate here time of washing, no need to worry beta, you know time of washing. So wash water used upon washing rate. So how much wash water used? 0.36 meter cube. Washing rate 0.225 meter cube per hour. So answer will come in hour. So देख लो यार कितना आ रहा है. 0.36 divided by 0.225, 1.6 और बेटा. बोलो बेटा सभी को क्लियर है क्या? Please everyone tell me beta, is it a crystal clear my dear students? Is it crystal clear? Can we proceed? जल्दी जल्दी बोलो बेटा. Everyone please confirm me. Can we proceed? Everyone enjoyed this numerical test problem? Come on. Yes, sir. Fantastic, mind blowing, super. Okay, so next question is 181. कितना बचा रे भाई? We had done till 180. Okay, first line completed. Okay. So 181, 184, 185. Okay, भाई 81 number आ जा रे भाई. Where are you? 81. But as this problem is also very very easy. A constant pressure filtration test gave data that can fit an expression disk. Okay, no problem. That means it's given the value of Kp and the value of B, the crew constant, intercept and slope. Slope was actually not Kp, okay, because that was Kp square by 2. Okay, not Kp square, sorry, Kp by 2 when T by V versus V. So this is clearly mentioned the value of Kp and V. Okay, so expression is given if the resistance of filter medium is assumed unaffected with pressure drop. Okay, that means this term clearly mentioned is constant, is constant, and it is mentioned that it is not a function of pressure drop. Okay, yes, sir, very good. And the compressibility coefficient of the filter cake, oh my god, compressibility coefficient, that yes, it's 0.3. What will be the time taken for collection of 3.5 liter of filtrates at a filtration pressure twice that used in the test? Oh, no need to worry. Actually, in this problem, the equation is given there, but you can't use that expression because now here they are asking for new expression because delta p changed and they are asking this time pressure twice, and you know in this 9.3 delta p part was there, and this part you no need to change. Why no need to change? Because clearly mentioned in your problem if the resistance of filter medium is assumed unaffected. But wait, it is resistance of filter medium now. It will also change. No, it will also change. Don't write constant. Don't write constant. Why, sir? See. You all know that this is alpha mu c upon a square delta p. Okay. And this is mu rm upon a delta p. So here rm is not affected. This delta p is affected now. Wait. Plug in करना भूल गए रे भाई. एक मिनट रुक जा. प्लग लगा दे यार लैपटॉप पे. Just give few seconds यार. अरे भाई साहब कहाँ है plug? Wait बेटा. Okay, done. So बेटा यहाँ पे here the pressure drop will be affected. So both numerical terms that written 9.3 and 8.5 will be affected. So compressibility coefficient given here Rm is not affected. Delta P instead of delta P you can write 2 delta P. Here mu C everything is okay. Instead of delta P you can write 2 delta P. But what about this alpha? You know now alpha is alpha naught delta P raised to power yes. And if it is going to alpha is a function of delta P, then you have to write this expression in terms of this delta P first. So delta P is also present there. So this is complete expression and nothing, just mathematical dealing required here. Okay, just mathematical dealing required here. So nothing is special in this question. हाँ सर गॉट इट. सो इसे सॉल्व करें या लगाओगे आप, ट्राई करोगे? जस्ट टेल मी एवरीवन. You want to solve this or want expression explanation from my side? Please everyone tell me. I'm giving few more hint, like here our kp, that is 9.3, and that is alpha mu c upon a square delta p. Further you can write this as alpha naught delta p raised to power yes is given 0.3, so it's 0.3 and into mu c and whole upon a square delta p. Okay, So this is the expression. This is expression. Okay. So here further you can write like alpha naught mu c upon a square and delta p raised to power zero point 0.3 minus zero point 0.1, that is minus zero point 0.7. Okay, that means kp is proportion, all things are same, delta alpha naught is not changed, mu c a square everything will remain constant, only that delta p changes. So two cases you can make now, that in first case if the value of kp is this one, when delta p is this one, then at the second case when the delta p is twice, what should be the new value of kp? It is very very easy. Telling you shortly, just tell me, can we solve like this? The new kp, if I'm writing this kp1, so new kp upon old kp, it can be written as delta p for new for old and whole raised to power minus zero point 0.1 can be write like this. If हाँ sir, then this is what? Twice. See, twice, pressure twice. So twice. 2 delta P1. Delta P1 cancelled here. So the new value of Kp you can write as Kp1 into 2 raised to power minus zero point 0.7 and Kp1 was 9.3 into 2 raised to power minus zero point 0.7. Can we write like this? But please everyone tell me यार, कैसे लिख सकते हैं क्या? 2 raised to power minus 0.7 into, यार एसी चलाओ तो ठंडी लग रही है, बंद करो तो गर्मी लग रही है, पंखा चलाने की इच्छा नहीं है यार. It is coming 5.7248, so 725. Okay, is it crystal clear to all of you beta? This is your new kp. क्या हम ऐसे kp को निकाल सकते हैं? Can we obtain kp like this? Just tell me everyone. Everyone please confirm me. Can we do calculation like this? Hmm? Is it coming same to same? Very good. So in similar manner, just you have to calculate the next part. So just see here in next one, that is b, and b is clearly mentioned as mu rm by a delta p, and clearly when you are writing b2 by b1, my dear students, so here mu rm and a will remain same for both cases because rm is not affected by delta p. So here you can write it as delta p1 by delta p2. So it is 1 by 2, so b2 will be 8.5 by 2, so it is 4.25. So new expression beta, new expression that you have to use here is dt by dv is equals to 5.725, 5.725 v plus 4.25. Yeah, 4.25. Now nothing special. अब तो लगा ही लोगे ना यार. Now ask what will be the time taken for the collection of 3.5 liter of filtrate at this pressure. So just integrate it. You will get T is equals to 5.725. V will be V square by 2 and plus 4.25 into V. Upper lower limit if you want to write, you can write lower 0 to V, 0 to T. So 0 will give you 0. So this will come finally. So time you want to check 3.5 liter. So 5.725 into 3.5 liter required by 2 plus 4.25 into 3.5. बोलो बेटा सभी को clear? Everyone please tell me. This will be your answer. 5.725 into 3.5 is square divided by 2 plus 4.25 into 3.5. Is it coming 49.94, my dear students? And what should be unit? Is anything present? Liter, pressure, affected, liter, second. T is in second, V is in liter. So that means you will get in second. 49.94. बोलो बेटा. Is it correct? Done? That means nearly 50 seconds you can see. Very, very easy now. Good question. Very good. Fantastic. Now, this problem asked from your side, and again the problem is same, so I'm not going to solve this question. Just discussed, a pressure filter is operated at a constant rate mode. Okay, yield itna in a 10 minute. Operating pressure increases from 0, same thing. In next 20-minute filtration conducted constant pressure. So already you can see we had done the first problem same to same. So now solve this one beta. If still problem, you can ask me in telegram. I will share my handwritten solution there. बोलो बेटा, सभी को क्लियर है? ये तो हो जाएगा ना सेम टू सेम एज आवर फर्स्ट डाउट. सी दिस वन, this one 174 number, same question. So refer 174, same doubt, refer 174. Okay, done. Can we proceed? लगा लोगे बेटा इसे? Please everyone tell me. Can we proceed, my dear students? Yes sir. Okay बेटा, fantastic. बहुत अच्छे. Yes sir, आगे बढ़े. एक मिनट बेटा. चल बेटा आगे बढ़ा जाए. I think answer was 30 and 45. Okay, done. नो कितने बचे? एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छ, बस. दैट्स इट. सी. See this one. For laminar flow conditions, the relationship between the pressure drop across an incompressible filter cake and a specific surface area of particles being filtered given by. Now please tell me, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? ये क्यों पूछ लिया भाई? दिस इज वेरी वेरी इजी यार. Why you ask this question? Anyone wants to give answer, beta? Anyone? You know, in your expression, alpha is there. And if remembered, a big expression developed by me for alpha. No, no, it's S, not square. No, no, beta, it's specific surface. That is simply, you can see that expression that I developed with the help of Cosny and Karman equation. Did you remember that expression, beta? आपको याद है वो एक्सप्रेशन और नॉट? In that expression, SPR. See, in that expression, SP by VP square is there. बोलो, उसे निकाल के दिखाएं या देख लिए अपने नोट्स में? जस्ट चेक योर नोट्स, जस्ट चेक योर नोट्स बेटा. यस सर, ओके, वेरी गुड. अगर मिल गया, इट्स ग्रेट. So with the help of that note, you can see S by V is square, and that S by V is what? Specific surface area that we are writing here, and that is square form, so it is proportional to S naught square. Okay, so C is correct. Now ये वाला छोटा दिख रहा है भाई, इसे देख लेते हैं पहले. Filtration is conducted at constant pressure to recover solids from dilute slurry to reduce the time of filtration. Oh, this is the same problem that a mistake done everywhere, you can see on YouTube and everywhere. Okay, on any academy. So they done a silly mistake here, because the solid concentration is now going to change, and that is C. C is also affected. A filtration is conducted at constant pressure. So my dear student, delta P is constant. This is constant. Okay. To recover solids from dilute state to reduce the time of filtration, the solid concentration in the phase slurry increased by evaporating half of solvent. You know the C, solid concentration, that is how much cake, kilogram cake associated with every meter cube of filtrate, and when you are going to evaporate, only filtrate will be evaporated beta. So half filtrate is evaporated. That means if you are going to write C1 and C2 relationship, then in C2 kilogram cake will remain same, but at the bottom it is 0.5 meter cube only instead of 1 meter cube. Suppose if I'm assuming 1 meter cube filtrate was there, okay, and any x kg, or suppose I'm writing c kg, cake was there for C1. Then for C2 case, c kg cake is still there, but this time it is with 0.5 meter cube of filtrate. Are you getting my words, my dear students? So clearly the C2 is, if you are writing in terms of this C2 C1, then clearly you can see beta, this C2 is 2 times of this C1. Okay, and if the resistance of filter medium is negligible, this is negligible, the filtrate time will be reduced by a factor of. Now filtrate time will reduced by a factor of. So how to calculate this? For this case, the equation was T by V, and that equals to Kp by 2 V plus B, and B is 0 here. ऐसा ही कुछ एक्सप्रेशन था, ऐसा ही था ना बेटा? प्लीज टेल मी एवरीवन. And when you are going to solve this, then T is equals to Kp was alpha mu C upon A square delta P, and 2 is also there, and V square. So T is proportional to CV square, because volume of filtrate also we will get half of the initial one now. So T is proportional to 2, the new one will be 2 C, and V will be 0.5 V. So just tell me, can we write like this? क्या ऐसे लिख सकते हैं? और still something wrong? Please tell me everyone. Please tell me everyone, beta. Can we write like this? Please everyone tell me, can we write like this beta? Waiting for your comments. Are you getting what I want to tell you beta? What I want to tell you? So when you are going to solve 2 into 0.5 into 0.5, that means you will get the same thing CV square again this time, but by 2, because 2 will be cancelled and 1.5 will be there, so 1 by 2 will be there. Are you getting my words? Yes sir. So it is reduced by a factor of 2. बोलो समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? It is reduced by a factor of 2. Done? So here B is the right answer. Fantastic. Mind blowing. Super. Okay. So ये भी हो गया. And this one, basic filtration equation given 20, same question. So again you have to refer 174 number. And still if unable to solve, then you can ask me beta. Again, you can ask me on Telegram group. I will share handwritten solution. If still unable to understand, no need to worry. In any other subject live doubt clearing session, I will take that doubt. Okay, सभी का clear? And I think answer is 30 minutes here. D is the right answer as per written here along with this question. If any other answer you are getting, inform me. I will check in my notebook. Maybe during typing I mistake during typing that B I write D. जल्दी जल्दी में B को D लिख दिया हो, but ऐसा rarely होता है. These things happen rarely. So D is the right answer. If you are getting any other answer, you can ask me, sir, how? Okay. So done. 3 questions are left. Okay. So this problem. Okay, now filtration is completed. Filtration is completed. Okay. A suspension of uniform particles, a mixing of rubber, and this one. First see this one बेटा. इसमें आपने बस क्या पूछा है? I think just you asked me 204 and 5 number. These two you asked. Is it same beta? Other above 2 questions solved na? Everyone please confirm me. Above one solved. Waiting for your comments. Yes sir, but you can share the answers too. 189 का आंसर बता दें. Which one is 189? D बेटा D. As I told you D. क्या दाश बेटा? D 30. Okay. या बेटा आ गया. देखो एक बच्चे का आ भी गया. That means answer is correct. ये पूरा सॉल्व कर दें या इसका हैंड रिटन सॉल्यूशन दे दें, बिकॉज जस्ट वी हैव 17 मिनट लेफ्ट फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर. सी बेटा प्रॉब्लम इज वेरी इजी. Problem is very easy. Here written, a small model reactor is to be built for scale-up studies of the behavior of a proposed large industrial steel tank having 1000 time capacity. That means the new capacity is 1000 times of the previous one. जो पहले वाली थी उसका 1000 times. So the first data that written here is V2, that is newer one, is 1000 times of V1. Okay, yes sir, solved. Very good, fantastic. Now see next statement. The bigger unit of 2 meter diameter will have a liquid depth of 2 meter. Okay, so the bigger one, that means the V2. So its diameter is given 2 meter, and the liquid present here is written up to height of 2 meter. Okay, so for the the bigger unit 2 meter diameter with a liquid depth of 2 meter, this will be fitted with a 4 bladed Ruston turbine of 0.6 meter diameter. That means diameter of turbine is given there, but no need to worry about that turbine diameter till now, but you can write if given. The turbine diameter is 0.6 0.6. So here dia of turbine is 0.6 meter. Estimate the dimensions of the smaller unit. Now here asked about dimension of a smaller unit. So how to solve this one? If you want to calculate the V2, then easily you can calculate pi r square h or pi by 4 d square h. You will get the value of V2. Now just compare, divide by 1000 will give you the value of V1. Once you get the value of V1, now just you are going to assume like in the next case as written L is equal to H. Again here also you can assume like L is equals to H, and you will get the value of D there. This is dimension. So this one assumption you need here beta. If this question they are going to ask right now, then they will give that assumption there. So what I told you, see the same thing I am going to do. The V2 if you want to calculate here beta, then the V2 is pi by 4 and D is square, and EH is also 2. Okay, so this is 2 to the 4, 4 4 cancelled. So this is 2 pi na, 2 to the 4. एक बार देख लो यार 2 pi ही ना आ रहा है. Is it 2 pi meter cube? Is it correct? Please tell me everyone, is it correct? Correct? Yes sir. So now V1 is V1 is 2 pi by 1000. Okay, and for V1, this is V1 tank. So for V1 again I am assuming that D and H is equals to D like here. So this assumption required to solve this question. So this will be now pi by 4 and D cube, and just solve this beta, you will get the value of T here. Okay, the value of D here, pi cancelled, pi cancelled, 4 to the 8, 8 by 1000 cube, 8 by 1000 cube root, so power 1 by 3. It is coming 0.2. It is coming 0.2 meter. So dimensions, this is answer number 1. Answer number 1 beta. So dimension, its dia is 0.2 meter, its height is 0.2 meter, and when they are asking about its dia of impeller, then same you can do similitude principle here, that is geometrically symmetric here. That means dia and impeller dia and tank dia ratio relation. So d by d2 by d1 will be equals to d2 by d1. Okay, so what is d2? D2 will be d1. D1 is 0.6 into what is d2? D2 is 0.2, and what was d1? D1 was 2. So just solve this beta. 2 1 ja 2, I think it will come 0.06 meter. So this is again next answer. So dia of impeller if you want to write beta, it's 0.06 meter. Bota समझ में आया? Everyone able to understand? Please everyone confirm me. Are you able to understand beta? Easy one. Now next one, the optimum installed speed of 330 rpm observed in the smaller unit. What will be the recommended speed in the industrial unit under the following condition? So these conditions already done by you, power point volume constant and Reynolds number doesn't change. That means in the second case Reynolds number you have to do, for first and second case same to same. Okay. So Second part, optimum stirred speed, power per unit volume constant. Power was proportional to P is equals to uh, NP is equals to P upon rho n cube d raised to power 5. This was your expression, and in volume d cube was there. So if you remember, you got simple that n is n cube d square. You got n cube d square na that time, but here you can't do these things because tank dimension is given separately and the impeller dimension is also given separately. So you have to write n 1 cube. See. Yeah, but I'm repeating. Sir, why you are taking? Beta, I am taking this side d by d ratio and this side d by d ratio will remain same. Okay, so short trick I do d2 d1 cross multiplication. I write d2 by d1 is equal to d2 by d1. Okay, geometric similarity. This is due to geometric similarity. Okay, beta. Mehna, beta, please tell me, is it okay? Done. Done. So power per unit volume constant. Wait, let me add one more slide here. Okay. So please check your notes. For this case, power per unit volume of tank constant. You got a beautiful relation that was n cube d raised to power 5, and this is not d capital, this is small one. D raised to power 5 impeller here, and upon volume of tank, that is d cube, because clearly we had chosen d is equals to h. Yeah, beta, concept of dimensional similarity. Okay, so this will remain constant. This derivation already done by us here. This derivation is already done by us. So the first case, n1 cube d1 raised to power 5 upon d1 cube, it must equals to, for second case, n2 cube d2 raised to power 5 upon d2 cube. Okay, now see what asked in your problem. Optimum stirred speed 330 observed for a smaller one. So smaller given 330, that means which one was a smaller one? V1 was a smaller one. So V1 was a smaller. N1 is given. How much given? 330 rpm. So here you can put 330 and cube, and a smaller dia impeller was how much? 0.06. So 0.06 raised to power 5, and upon the smaller unit dia was, I think, zero point 0.2 meter. No? Yeah, zero point 0.2 meter. D was 0.2 meter. So 0.2 cube, and that becomes equals to N2 asked, and D2 was, I think, 0.6 meter. Let me check. Yeah, 0.6 meter. So it's 0.6 raised to power 5, and whole divided with d2 cube. D2 was 2 meter. So one equation, one unknown here. Nikal lo na yaar. Just solve this here. Okay. Everyone, please tell me, is it crystal clear to all of you? Is it coming 71.096? So 71.1. 71.1 rpm. So this is next answer, yeah. 71.1 rpm. Okay, my dear students. Done. Now, next one asks, if Reynolds number doesn't change. You know Reynolds number, d square n rho by mu. So what should be speed? Very easy. यहीं देख लो यार, just see here Reynolds number. So Reynolds number was d square n rho by mu. Mu is not changed, rho is not changed. If Reynolds number is constant, my dear students, that means t square n will remain constant. Okay. So here beta you can do for first case d1 square n1, and this should be equals to d2 square n2. So what was d1? Small d1 was 0.06. So 0.06 square, n1 was 330 rpm, d2 was zero point 0.6 square, and n2 you have to calculate. Just solve this beta. Is it 3.3 rpm beta? Is it 3.3 rpm? So this is another answer. What design criteria recommend for this type? Of course, the higher speed we are going to recommend. Okay. So is it crystal clear to all of you, beta? That means we are going to design it with this power per unit volume as constant. Okay. Done. Please, everyone, tell me. See, problem looks very, very difficult, but how easy it is. Just go through fundamentals here. Just go through fundamentals. So tell me, beta, everyone crystal clear? Hmm? No doubts? Please, everyone, write. Crystal clear to all of you? Okay. So see, the mixing of rubber latex solution was studied in an unbaffled mixer in an laboratory. In a laboratory. Okay. The mixer was equipped with a 6-blade turbine impeller. A tire company scales this process up using a baffled tank. The baffled tank has 3 times diameter. See, it's 3 times diameter of the lab scale mixer. It uses the same type of impeller operated at the same speed. The relevant shape factor are also the same. Assuming that the laminar conditions prevail in both cases, the power requirement in the stored mixer is कितना आसान है. See how easy it is. The power required in industrial mixer is beta clearly mentioned laminar flow condition. If laminar flow condition is there, that means it is not going to affected by what, by Froude number. So for this case, my dear student, in both cases, that means these baffles are nothing to do here. They can't change anything here, because even if you are using baffle or not using baffle, still no vertex formation is there, because here mentioned laminar condition, that means at low Reynolds number. And you know, at low Reynolds number, power number is inversely proportional to Reynolds number. Okay. So here you can write P by rho n cube d raised to power 5 equals to 1 by this one was d square n rho by mu. So just you want to take power. So power is proportional to, only they change diameter 3 times. So it is proportional to dia. This is 5. This is square. So this is d cube. So if 3 times dia, so it's 27 d cube new one. So 27 times C is the right answer. Are you getting my words, beta? Is it crystal clear to all of you? Please, please, beta, show your energy. Is it crystal clear? Just enjoy, enjoy, enjoy while solving the problem. क्या बात, crystal clear. Okay, so final question. A suspension of uniform particles in water constant. Yes, sir. Okay. At a concentration of 500 kilogram. Okay, so concentration given here, beta. So concentration given 500 kilogram solid per meter cube of slurry settling in the tank. Okay. Next line, density of particles. Okay. Rho p is given, my dear students, 2500 kilogram per meter cube. And terminal velocity of a single particle. Oh my god, ut is also given. So ut is given as 20 centimeter per second. What will be the settling velocity of suspension? That means us they are asking, and again in centimeter per second. Richardson Jackie index is given as 4.6. That means this is Newton law reason. This is Newton law reason. So I think here in this question you asked this question because you feel difficulty while taking the value of epsilon. Is it the same case beta? क्या यही आपको फील हुआ इसमें? Everyone please tell me, my dear students. Please everyone tell me. So here, how to solve this? You have to take epsilon. And what is epsilon actually? 1 minus suspension. So this is the actually the volume of fluid na, percentage fraction of fluid available there na. So here you can add volume of water, but a volume of water plus volume of solid, that is total volume of. Yes sir, very good, very good. So how to write that epsilon here? कैसे निकालोगे epsilon here? Hmm? It is mentioning here that 500 kilogram solid. So first you have to check the solid in terms of volume. In terms of volume. So 500 kilogram solid. So 500 kilogram divided by 2500 kilogram per meter cube. It will give you volume of solid. So it is coming 155 the 25. So it's point 0.2 meter cube. Okay, this is volume of solid. So in 1 meter cube of slurry. So in slurry both are present. In slurry both are present. So this is volume of solid if 0.2 meter cube in 1 meter cube, if I am telling 0.2 meter cube is solid, then definitely remaining 0.8 meter cube is fluid. Here fluid is what? Is it written water? So it is water. So how much fraction of water here? It's 0.8 now. It's 0.8, that's it. कहानी खत्म हो गई. Now nothing is special here. Now nothing is special. Are you getting my words, my dear students? Once you got this, everything is very very easy to you to solve. Just solve here. You know us is equals to ut epsilon raised to power n. Ut is given in centimeter per second. Just write same because no need to worry because answer also asked in same unit. Just put here 4.6. Solve this 0.8 power 4.6 into 20. It is coming 7.165457. So 7.17. I'm writing 7.17 up to 2 decimal place centimeter per second. Or based upon mathematics rule, if this is 6 and next one is 5, so just cut that and write. So C is the right answer. Okay, so please tell me beta, everyone crystal clear? No doubts at all? So everyone enjoyed today's session? Everyone please confirm me. One note I want to give you, as I told you yesterday. Okay, first tell me everyone beta, no doubts, all clear? Okay, very good. So a simple thing that I want to discuss as a note here, beta, uh, that is a superficial upper side, or you can say upward velocity of water. I told you na, yesterday that I will give you one expression for that. Hmm? Upward fluid velocity, याद आ रहा है आपको? So what is upward fluid velocity? If I am writing phi as solid volume fraction, solid volume fraction, okay, then 1 minus phi will be a fluid volume fraction, and definitely this is your epsilon. This is your epsilon. Clear, beta? So just one quantity equation you can apply here, that is this phi multiplied with Vs. This phi multiplied with what is Vs? Vs is hindered settling velocity of particles. So this is about particle. So particles are going below, and when particles are going below, they are displacing the liquid, and that liquid is going in upward direction. So the value will remain same now. Okay, the value will remain same. So if I am writing here, then I can write like epsilon into that upward velocity u. So u can be written as phi by epsilon into Vs, or you can write u is equals to 1 minus epsilon by epsilon into Vs. So if in your examination they are asking about upward fluid velocity, what is this? This is upward fluid velocity. Upward fluid velocity in hindered settling. In hindered settling. So you can write like this, beta. And only because of this, the other particles settle rate of settling is affected. Lots of particles are there. Na? This is particle, this is particle. This. So these are going in this direction. And due to this, the water that is available surround this is go in this direction. You can feel like a ball. If you are going to put in a bucket, the water will come up, and if the ball is little bit larger in size, the water will overflow from your bucket. That means the flow of water is on upside now. Are you feeling concept, beta? Please everyone tell me, are you able to understand? Please everyone confirm me, are you able to understand, beta? Done. Okay, very good, beta. सभी को क्लियर है. Can you share answers of homework, beta? If you want any more answer, don't worry, just ask me again in telegram that question number. I will share any answer that you want. Okay, just send me again question number if you want any answer in group, any homework answer. If you still you don't have that file, no need to worry, just ask me in comment section of telegram. I will share that answer there. Okay, just send answer of these question numbers, I will share there. Okay, Mena? Okay, sir. Okay, beta. So now here you can say that the end of process calculation, sorry, mechanical operation after process calculation. Okay, done, beta. And here one more thing that can be asked, but rare chance. If they are writing instead of just upward fluid velocity, they are writing interstitial velocity of fluid, velocity of fluid. Then this is beta u by epsilon. Its value is a little bit, vi is little bit higher than this u. Why you are going to uh, divide with this epsilon? Because the total area available for your fluid is not 1. This is equals to, in terms of fraction, zero point 0.7 is available in terms of area or in terms of volume. It's zero point 0.7 is available for if suppose 30% I am writing like previous case. No, previous case zero point 0.8 now. So if zero point 0.8 I am writing in previous case, so here the zero point 0.8 is available for flow of fluid. So just one more concept comes, that divide by epsilon, and rarely they can ask in your examination. So no need to worry here. No need to worry. Just see these equations. I am giving these equations just extra part, just as a note. See, this is a note. This is not the main part. So this is your note. So just remember these equations too. Okay. No worries. Okay. So now, my dear students, you can say one beautiful thing. अरे भाई कितना स्लाइड आगे चला गया रे भाई. वेट वेट, यो आ ही गया था बच्चा. ये आ गया बच्चा. But before that, my dear students, one beautiful thing that we want to write: mechanical operation and solid handling completed. Okay, date is 20 May. So I hope बेटा everyone enjoyed. मजा आया सबको एमओ में? Everyone enjoyed complete mechanical operation बेटा? Are you ready for next live subject? Please everyone tell me बेटा. सबने enjoy किया? I enjoyed a lot. Yes, enjoyed sir बेटा. Thank you my dear students, because our energy comes from your side. If you enjoyed, then I feel more and more motivated for next subject. So we can start next subject with again full of energy, and soon we will notify you about next subject. Tentative name is CRA, but it's not final. Final you will see from the mouth of Rajesh sir. Okay, so don't forget beta, revision. Next subject is started, that doesn't mean that you are not going to see the previous one. So I must do my revision daily, I must do 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 my revision daily. Definitely in this manner, my dear students, you will be able to score rank 1, rank 100, any rank nearby this rank will definitely clear your path for your dream job. Okay, so all the best to all of you beta. Take care, love you all, a very very happy good night to all of you. Thank you so much sir, enjoyed sir, enjoyed sir. Okay beta, टेक केयर. एंड इफ एनी आंसर, अगर कोई आंसर आपसे मिस हो गया है, नहीं देख पाए टेलीग्राम में, कोई दिक्कत नहीं यार. आई एम नॉट हियर एज अ पार्ट टाइमर, आई एम हियर कंप्लीट फुल टाइमर. आपके लिए completely I am available, every time available, even after completion of lecture. That group will be active at least till gate 2026 examination. जिस ग्रुप में आप लोग पेड ग्रुप में हैं, that group will be active. Anytime you can ask me any question number. If again, if you want any more solution of any question, just put that question there, I will tell solution there. Okay, so take care beta, love you all, and a very very happy good night to all of you. Okay beta, take care.